a man pay me $110,000 one time just for eat out my body hole. And him tip me $40,000 because the body hole is too crunchy and it too good. Them the time I just bust on the scene. So you know it's a girl named Buzz. Give teaser. The girl who did the video with the policeman. So you know say the price gone up. And man I just offer you some price even way above. We even think for charge them. So when you say a man I give some price, you have to say, boy, I have to up the thing. You know I'm type of way there. But yeah. So imagine if it was actually sexual intercourse, the price would have been up. So men in Jamaica do pay those type of money. And remember, we're not gonna tell you Jamaican dollars. We're gonna tell you in US dollars. So when we do it come up to the Jamaican dollar. So that's why it sounds so much.